Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to present on the topic flu and the common cold. These are very common illness that affect people of all ages, especially during cold weather. In this presentation, I will explain what flu is, what common cold is, their differences, medicines, home care, and prevention. Flu, influenza, and the common cold are viral infections that affect respiratory system including the nose, throat and lungs. They are highly contagious and spread easily through cough, sneezes and close contact. A viral illness like flu with sudden onset, high fever, body aches, fatigue, cough, and it can be serious. While common cold, it's a mild viral infection with runny nose, sneezing, mild cough, little or no fever. They both spread easily and they are very common in winter, treated with the rest and symptom relief medicine, not antibiotics. We cannot treat a viral infection with antibiotics. We all know that. So, what is the human theory about flu and the common cold? Flu and the common cold spread from human to human interaction. An infected person releases virus droplets while coughing or sneezing. These droplets are inhaled by healthy people. Virus spread through close physical contact, touching infected hands or the object, then touching mouth, your nose or eyes with the same hand uh, that you use to touch the object, infected object, and crowded and poorly ventilated places increase the spread of the virus. Proper hygiene helps prevent transmission. For example, if we touch an infected object and we sanitize our hands or we washed our hands with soap or the hand wash, then we are safe. Flu. Virus enter respiratory cells and begin to replicate immune system activate and which means white blood cells are going to attack the virus. And here cytokines is released which is going to cause you fever, fatigue or body ache. Inflammation in respiratory tract can cause cough, sore throat or runny nose. While having flu, we are going to lose appetite and headache are very common due to the immune response. In common cold, virus infect nasal and throat cells. Immune system trigger which cause mild inflammation and which is going to lead sneezing and runny nose. In common cold, mucus production increases to trap viruses. Mild fatigue or discomfort we are going to face during common cold. Usually it's short lived. Recovery is faster as immune system response is less intense than flu. So, what is the difference between flu or the common cold? Flu is called by the influenza virus, while common cold is caused by the rhinoviruses or the mild viruses. Flu is a sudden onset, while common cold is a gradual onset. Flu cause high fever, while common cold mild or no fever. Severe body ache, while in common cold it's mild body ache. In flu, we feel extreme fatigue, but in common cold, it's mild. In flu, we face severe cough and dry cough, and in common cold, it's very mild. The duration of the flu is around about 2 weeks, like 7 to 14 days, but common cold duration is 3 to 7 days. And flu can be serious. It can cause pneumonia or common cold. It's usually mild. What are the medications for flu and the common cold? We can we can use uh, to reduce fever and body pain. Medicine like paracetamol and ibuprofen are commonly used. These medicines help control symptoms and make the patient feel comfortable. They should always be taken in the correct doses. And here on this slide, you can see I mentioned all of the medicines that are important during uh, flu or common cold. We can use the saline nasal spray, which is going to clear nasal congestion, and throat lozenge, so sore throat, honey plus warm water, or lemon is for coughing. It's not for the children less than 1 year. And what's the important note? We need to avoid antibiotics unless prescribed. Virus don't respond to the antibiotics. We need to drink plenty of fluid and rest. Consult a doctor if symptoms worse or persist. So, when do we need to see the doctor? Fever is higher than 3 days, and we feel difficulty in breathing, and there is a chest pain, severe headache, or confusion, persistent vomiting or dehydration, worsening symptom, high risk condition like asthma, heart disease, or diabetes. So, here is the analysis. Um, Very common, especially in cold season, flu and common cold. Spread through the air droplets and close contact. Flu, it's more severe and 7 to 14 days. Uh, its duration, and cold is mild and 3 to 7 days. It can causes fatigue and missed work or school. We need to prevent it with the hygiene, avoiding crowds, flu vaccine, treated with rest, fluids, and the symptom relief medicines. Here you can see the sickness rate in the winter. 62% or 65% is the common cold, while flu is 25% and the other sickness is literally 12%. Thank you so much for the listening, and this was my presentation on flu and the common cold. Thank you for your attention. If you need any answer related to your question, you can comment below, and we can discuss in the next video, or I can directly answer by replying your comment. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.